First of all, thank you all for watching today's demo video. In this video, we would like to demonstrate how Curtain eLocker protects internal web systems. When authorized users access the company's internal web system, there is always a risk of data leakage. As long as they have a username, password, and authorization to use these systems, they can copy and paste the data, take it out, save it as their own, or download reports to their local machines. Using the eLocker can address these concerns. With the eLocker, our colleagues can continue their work as usual, but whether they can copy the data depends on our control. Now, let's go to our admin panel, where we have a feature called Protect Web Application. We have enabled this feature to protect the web system we are demonstrating. Okay, it's confirmed. When users receive this policy on their eLocker client, they know that the site requires control of the web application. If a user tries to go back to our browser and refresh, they won't be able to access it because the web system is now protected by the eLocker. They must use a browser in the eLocker control mode to gain access. It's still a regular browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, but it needs to be in the eLocker control mode to enter. For example, we have opened a Google Chrome browser with a locker control. So you can see our eLocker logo in the upper right corner. This secure browser under eLocker control allows access to the protected web application we set up earlier. As you can see, users can continue their work, but it is protected by the eLocker. The admin can apply different control policies, determining the permissions of different individuals using the web system. These are standard eLocker functionalities, such as enabling on-screen watermarks, allowing or disallowing copy and paste of data, screen capturing, and controlling where data can be saved or downloaded. If users don't need to take the data outside, they can work conveniently within the control area. For example, they can save and download data within the control area. However, they won't be able to take it outside, ensuring internal sharing is secure. Now, let's demonstrate some basic controls. For example, if I try to copy highlighted data and paste it into a notepad, you can see it won't work. Notepad won't allow it, just like WhatsApp or Gmail. We can also demonstrate the cap screen control. If I open the snipping tool and try to capture a screenshot, you can see it won't work. It's the same for the save as function. If a user wants to download the data and save it in unauthorized locations like the desktop, USB, or cloud drives, we can block it. The software will also prompt the user, informing them where sensitive data can be stored. These are the standard features of the eLocker, making it convenient for users to work while being controlled by the eLocker. Administrators can apply different policies to different users. Thank you all for your attention.